Hey guys, it's Andres Izquieta, co-founder, co-CEO of 5-4 and the Menlo House and all the brands. I'm here to talk to you guys about the new collaboration between 5-4 and 12 a.m. Run. 12 a.m. Run is a store in Las Vegas that's co-owned by my business partner D and Nas and a few other individuals. We've been doing an ongoing collaboration with them now for about, I want to say 2-3 years or so. And this is the new drop that just dropped here exclusively on the Menlo House. So I'm gonna get right into it and talk to you guys about the first style. The first style is the Kelwood. It is a French terry sweatshirt. It's actually an interpretation of an old 5-4 sweatshirt called the Inwood, which was a bestseller. So this time what we did, we decided to remix it up with color blocking, and it comes in two colors, in a white and a taupe with contrast black. There is coated zipper on the front kangaroo pocket and side seam vent opening with an invisible zipper on both sides. Pullover hood, and the sleeve itself actually goes to here, as you can see, and then the long sleeve itself is in the contrast color. And it comes in a light, kind of like a middleweight French terry. This I would personally wear the white version with some light colored jeans. It's a little bit lighter, easier to wear with light colors, and then the taupe version with darker colors. I think the dopest way to wear this would be with actually some sort of a jacket over it. Obviously like an easy t-shirt of any sort, jeans, and some sneakers. Next up we have the Elson style, which is like the little brother to the Kelwood style. And again, it comes in the same colors, that white and taupe, contrast black on the rib, open fray on the bottom white panel, invisible zippers on the two front pockets, as you can see here, great for travel in the warm months. And then on the back, there is a coated zip pocket too in black on both colorways. Again, this one can be worn like with that one if you want to be that guy. This is something that's a little bit more casual. You can wear with t-shirt, sweatshirt of any kind. It's a great travel pant. It's also a good summer Coachella kind of festival vibe because the zippers make it great when you're drunk or whatever else you kids do. Next up is the Baxter t-shirt. It comes in two colors, in an olive and a taupe. Has a rounded hem, as you can see, and a 12 a.m. 5-4 print on the side. Again, this one, easy thing to wear with jeans, jackets, sneakers, etc. Next up is the Tegar style. This is a oversized blue, red with a slight black color in it. Brush flannel plaid with hidden pockets here on both compartments, on both sides. Screen print here and a 45-degree angle left chest pocket as well. This one is a great piece to wear in the colder months because the brush flannel keeps you warm. Again, I'd wear this under a jacket of some sort with some jeans, some sneakers, maybe even with a sweater on top of it if it's super cold, and the jacket. Next up, we have the Zahran style. So the Zahran is one of my favorite pieces in the collection. This is kind of like a shirt jacket slash shirt. So you totally can wear this, you know, on your own like this with a jean, maybe even a jacket if it's cold. If not, this is something super simple to wear also with a t-shirt like those guys over there. And what's cool about this one, it actually fits an iPhone 7 Plus. Now with the 10, which is actually a bit smaller, it perfectly fits in there. And it has two drawstrings here in case you wanna tie it up if you're going for that shirt jacket look. It is made of poplin that has a light garment wash on it. And it comes, again, in an olive with a taupe contrast on the bottom and a black top poplin with a gray contrast on the bottom. Next up and last, and my favorite piece of the collection, bomber, bomber, bomber. Bombers are hot. Bombers were hot last year. They're gonna keep being hot this year. So we did this one in three colors. We did it in a light pink with a white contrast rib. We did it in a taupe with a black contrast rib. And lastly, we did it in a black with a self-tonal rib. This one features a flight pocket on the wearer's left sleeve. It also has a tag that says 5-4 on one side and 12 a.m. on the other side, with the pocket there too. Next up, we have the two front pockets here as well, with the snap on it. Two-way zipper And then lastly, what's dope about this one, it actually has a like soft jersey lining, which makes it a little bit warmer. So, and they all are in contrast black. You can wear this with pretty much anything. The black jacket with white, gray, or black jean. The pink one can easily be worn with anything light. So anything white, if you want to go super pastel, maybe even like a light blue denim or a light gray. And then lastly, the taupe version can be worn dark pair of khakis, dark pair of jeans. The black contrast rib really allows you to take it to a dark place. So that is the weekly wrap for Menlo top picks. This is a special edition because we have the 5/4 12 a.m. run collection. Get it now exclusively on the Menlo House. See you guys next week.